We are at an alarming state during this pandemic. People are getting overwhelmed due to many reasons. It could be the shortage of beds, or the oxygen cylinders, or underfunds, or it may be due to the fragile health centers. On the other hand, people are also getting depressed, aggressive, losing temper because they are not able to get what they have planned. Things are not going on as they planned. This uncertainty is for a time being, it doesn't last long, I agree, but we need to know how to survive with this, how to stay calm without losing temper. We are not sure whether we are able to prevent pandemic from entering into our bodies, but we can definitely be sure to prevent it entering our minds. Let us try this reflection. We know how anger becomes destructive and things turn out to be worse. Let us see that the anger within us doesn't spiral out and get out of control. Let's get ourselves the freedom from anger. See that you settle in a comfortable place. There are simple steps to follow. Do follow the instructions and enjoy the freedom from anger. Anger is a common experience we all go through in our lives. However, this emotion can quickly spiral out of control and become destructive. Here is a simple yet effective reflection you can do anytime, anywhere to help you let go of your anger. Gently close your eyes. Settle in a comfortable position, a quiet place preferably. Take slow and deep breath. Allow your body to relax completely. Now, slowly move your attention inward. Begin by taking a few moments to connect with your inner experience of anger. Recollect any one instance that can trigger anger in you. Just allow it to surface, becoming aware of anger as it is. Take 3 slow and deep breaths. As you observe, without judgment or shame. Now, gradually move your attention to how you feel in the body. Notice if there is a feeling of tightness or tension in some part of your body. Perhaps a quickening of heartbeat or breath. Maybe the feeling of discomfort in your chest or hand or abdomen. Stay with whatever sensations they are as you take 3 slow and deep breaths. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Many times we use anger as a driving force to stand up against what we think is unfair. We believe anger fills us with strength to fight injustice. Therefore, we hold on to it, believing anger to be a necessary force to create change. In the process, we fail to see the pain and damage it causes. It is important to realize that there is no need to remain angry in order to address our circumstances. In fact, when we set ourselves free, we become more capable of more intelligent responses and solutions. With this understanding, take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And as you exhale, let go all the anger you feel. There's no need to hold on to it. Once again, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. As you completely let go, feel the anger leaving your body, your mind, and your entire being. Feel the freedom within. Visualize yourself as a radiant being, free of inner disturbance. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, gently whisper to yourself, "I'm free." Once again, take a deep breath. As you exhale, hold a gentle smile and whisper, "I am free." Once again, take a deep breath. Slowly exhale by whispering to yourself, "I am free." You may remain in the space for few moments, and whenever you feel relieved, gently open your eyes. Remember, the world can be a wonderful place if you choose to set yourself free. Remember, life is beautiful.